During his lectures the last 2 years of his life, Baird Spalding often recited the words of a poem written by John Gillespie Magee, Jr., a Royal Canadian Air Force pilot who was shot down over England on December 11th, 1941, at the age of 19. Shortly before his death, John Magee sent his mother the poem High Flight, which was soon to become known the world over and is still considered the greatest poem to come out of World War II. Because it was his favourite verse, we feel Mr. Spalding will like the words of High Flight included in this volume. High Flight. Oh, I have slipped the surly bonds of earth and danced the skies on laughter-silvered wings. Sunward I have climbed and joined the tumbling mirth of sun-split clouds and done 100 things you have not dreamed of, wielded sword and swung, high in the sunlit silence, hovering there. I've chased the shouting wind along and flung my eager craft through footless halls of air. Up the long, delirious burning blue, I've topped the wind-swept heights with easy grace, where never lark or even eagle flew. And, while with silent, lifting mind I've trod the high, untrespassed sanctity of space, put out my hand and touched the face of God.